super like this. Easy. I'm going to tell you about the biggest and the baddest record in the world right now. I already know around the whole place. If you cool out, you know what? Can cool out it. Big yard with him. Right around the top. Chris Martin, put it with him. The girl I'm going to sing. Chris Martin, do it. You say big deal.
Here I come. Here I come. Here I come again. And there you go. With your silly games, girl. You know you're hot then cold. You're in then out. You want me then you wanna be friends. Then you want go not then so. So you love rum so. Me know I'll go through it again. Hey, you know you're hot then cold. In and out. You want me then you wanna be friends. Then you want go not then so. So you love rum so. Me know I'll go through it again. No, this is not a joke thing. Why you laughing? What you really are deal with? Hey, you stop the walking while I'm talking. Stop playing with my feelings.
You guys see the next artist, you know, in degree. I never let him drop it black in. I'm right now around the world with him. Drop it on the sky with us, I'm gonna drop it. You're degree, not the place.
Back it up close, come near me now. Me have something me want share it now. It might look spooky and scary now, but be the co-pilot and steering now. No illusion, no fearing now. Just step me magic one and disappearing now. Reaching climax is clearly now. We no care if the neighbor them want hear we now. Forever in your arms, forever I will be. Forever making love, make sweet love to me. Forever in my heart, I'll
Right now, you see the artist, Richie Spice. Richie Spice.
No leave me, no leave me, leave me. Give me another chance, give me another try. It's so hard to say goodbye. No, no leave me, no leave me, leave me. Give me another chance, give me another try. It's so hard to say goodbye. She say it's hard for me, you know, but I got to do what I have to do because I can't do this no more. With you, it ain't worth it. You need to find something or someone else to occupy your time because
all this argument like we're in a parliament, but me know your mouth is your biggest strength. All the time you a give me big tough chat. Me just walk away, then me walk come back. From long time like a old school, to what we a bounce like a pro tool. So me now make one argument mash we up. Me don't fool. I love you, 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 and girl I need you in my arms forevermore. And I love you, 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 and girl I
Major, sing on the brother.
She don't believe in shooting stars. She believes in shoes and cars, and only around big spenders. Baby girl apart, she profile like a star. Fall in love, she will leave you with a scar. No, she won't surrender. No, 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 no. When the deal is done, even your name she won't remember. And it's all for fun.
The artists are rich, and the girl them beautiful.
Girl, I wanna wake up beside you. Wake up beside you. Girl, you know I'm longing for your touch. You know I miss you so much. Girl, I wanna wake up beside you. Wake up beside you. Girl, you know I'm longing for your touch. You know I'm missing you so much. Oh man, I love you not just for who you are, but for who I am when I'm around you. That's why it's hard when me up in the far. From the queen when me give me crown to. Our relationship is not a boat to me. Serious, not a joke to me. In a me yard.
All the way to sing us a world singer. World singer.
Think about is you. You and all
not leave me, cause I am your one and only. Baby, then why you deceive me? Treat me like that. Hey. Oh, baby, baby, believe me. The simplest thing.
All of the business is sounding.
Martin Luther Black, Malcolm X Black, Marcus Garvey Black, Barack Obama Black, Bill Clinton Black. How you think about that? How a leap of great, some of the greatest people in African history document that. So free up black people, live up black people. I in a jailhouse, someone feel like people. Mental shackles and chain in a brain, them chop people. So free up black people, free up black people. In a jailhouse, someone feel like